Baby Sleep Part 2 Notable Sleep Quotes. Sleep Quotes. Before going to in depth studies of sleep, you will see some of the interesting, notable sleep quotes. What is so funny about sleep quotes? See yourself. Go to bed with favorite sleep quotes below and sleep like baby. Sleep quote 1. Each night when I go to sleep, I die, and the next morning when I wake up, I'm reborn. Mahatma Gandhi. Man should forget his anger before he lies down to sleep. Mahatma Gandhi. This is sleep quote 2. Sleep quote 3. Early to rise, early to bed makes a man healthy, wealthy, and dead. James Thurber, American cartoonist. Sleep quote 4. I think it is good that books still exist, but they do make me sleepy. Frank Zappa, the real Frank Zappa. Sleep quote 5. There is no sunrise so beautiful that is worth waking me up to see it. Mine Cali from Is Everybody Hanging Without Me. Sleep quote 6. Laugh and the world laughs with you. Snore and you sleep alone. Anthony Burgess. Sleep quote 7. Happiness is waking up, looking at the clock, and finding that you still have 2 hours left to sleep. Charles M. Schulz, American cartoonist. Sleep quote 8. No civilized person goes to bed the same day he gets up. Richard Harding Davis, American cartoonist. Sleep quote number 9. Even a soul submerged in sleep is hard at work and helps make something of the world. Heraclitus, the popular Greek philosopher. Sleep quote number 10. Never go to bed mad. Stay up and fight. Phyllis Diller, Phyllis Diller's housekeeping hints. Sleep quote number 11. If you are going to do something tonight that you will be sorry for tomorrow morning, sleep late. Henny Youngman, English American comedian. Sleep quote number 12. Don't fight with the pillow, but lay down your head and kick every worriment out of the bed. By Elie Wiesel from Night. Sleep quote number 13. The worst thing in the world is to try to sleep and not to. By Scott Fitzgerald, American author. Sleep quote number 14. I love to sleep. Do you? Isn't it great? It really is the best of both worlds. You get to be alive and unconscious. Rita Rudner, American comedian. Sleep quote number 15. A day without a nap is like a cupcake without frosting. By Terry Wilmets, anthologist. Sleep quote number 16. I love sleep. My life has a tendency to fall apart when I am awake, you know. Ernest Hemingway. Sleep quote number 17. Sleep is like a cat. It only comes to you if you ignore it. By Gillian Flynn from God Gave. Sleep quote number 18. No day is so bad it can't be fixed with a nap. Carrie Snow, American stand-up comic. Sleep quote number 19. Insomnia is a glamorous term for thoughts you forgot to have in the day. Alain de Botton, philosopher. Sleep quote number 20. When the going gets tough, the tough take a nap. Tom Hodgkinson, British writer. Sleep quote number 21. No wonder Sleeping Beauty looked good. She took long naps, never got old, and didn't have to do anything but snore to get her Prince Charming. Only Green, author. Sleep quote number 22. I don't feel old. I don't feel anything till noon. That's when it is time for my nap. Bob Pope, British American comedian. Sleep quote number 23. I think sleeping was my problem at school. If the school had started at 4 in the afternoon, I would be a college graduate today. By George Foreman. Sleep quote number 24. Sleep is the most innocent creature there is, and a sleepless man the most guilty. From Kafka, Supreme Secrets of Success. Sleep quote number 25. The last refuge of the insomniac is a sense of superiority to the sleeping world. By Conrad Cohen, Canadian singer and writer. Sleep quote number 26. Also, I could finally sleep, and that was the real gift because when you cannot sleep, you cannot get yourself out of the ditch. There is not a chance. Elizabeth Gilbert from Eat, Pray, Love. Sleep quote number 27. It was that sort of sleep in which you wake every hour and think to yourself that you have not been sleeping at all. You can remember dreams that are like reflections, daytime thinking slightly warped. Sleep quote number 28. Who said nights were for sleep? Marilyn Monroe, American actress. Sleep quote number 29. Not being able to sleep is terrible. You have the misery of having partied all night without the satisfaction. Lynn Johnston, Canadian cartoonist. Sleep quote number 30. Why can I never go back to bed? Who's the voice ringing in my head? Where is the sense in these desperate dreams? Why should I wake when I'm half past dead? Emily Atom, American singer and songwriter. Sleep quote number 31. A ruffled mind makes a restless pillow. Charlotte Bronte, English novelist and poet. Sleep quote number 32. If you can't sleep, then get up and do something instead of lying there worrying. It is a worry that gets you, not the lack of sleep. Dale Carnegie, American writer. Sleep quote number 33. If a man had as many ideas during the day as he does when he has insomnia, he would make a fortune. Griff Niblack. Sleep quote number 34. Without enough sleep, we all become tall 2-year-olds. Jojo Jensen from Dirt Farmer Wisdom. Sleep quote number 36. Mother's arms are made of tenderness, and the sweet sleep blesses the child who lies within. Victor Hugo from Les Miserables. Sleep quote number 37. When my baby is sleeping, that's when I think, wow, I made that. Maria Jose Bovale, content creator. Sleep quote number 38. Your future depends on your dreams, so go to sleep. My brother, Gorasani. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.